Hey y'all, I'm David S. Hogan.
I'm Angela DiMarco.
We are here at Mighty Tripod Acting Studio, and we're going to tell you about our upcoming weekend workshop for youth and teen actors, and we're going to be covering commercial auditions. Angela.
Commercial auditions, and we are doing the last Sunday of every month.
Every single month.
That's right. January, it was all about the vocal warm-ups, physical warm-ups. It's important. We got to warm up before we dive in. This month, like David said, commercials.
Yes.
It's the one thing that seems to still be thriving even during the pandemic, which means you got to make sure you can rock that commercial audition. So all the kiddos out there, all the teens out there, all the parents out there, you need this workshop in your life. We're here for you, and we're doing it safely because we're doing it online.
What kind of ages are we talking about here?
Well, the youth, we do from 8 to 12,
Okay,
and the
8 to
teen
12,
class, 13 all the way up to 18 if
Beautiful.
you want. So if you feel like you could learn a little bit more about that commercial material, about auditioning via Zoom, also the importance of commercial slating, we got you covered.
We have you covered. Check it out at mightytripod.com/classes. Sign up today, and we will see you.
Zoom. Oh, see what I did there?
I did see what you did. That was cool.
Yeah, that is pretty
See
cool.
you Zoom.
See you Zoom.
Hi.
See you Zoom.
See ya.
And see, now we're doing
Goodbye.
it too much.
Riffin'.
How about be mighty?